Whether you are a student, a cybersecurity enthusiast, or just curious about hacking, this video is your beginner-friendly roadmap. I will cover the best free platforms, tools, labs, and communities you need to get started today. So stick around, you don't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with free platforms that teaches pen testing in structured, hands-on way. First, try HackMe. Start with their pre-security or complete beginner path, super friendly and interactive. Second, Hack the Box Academy. The free tier includes some great modules on networking, Linux, and web hacking. Portswinger Web Security Academy. If you are into web hacking, this is gold. Completely free and full of practical labs. And don't forget in cybersecurity. They have free video courses that are perfect for building your basic. Next, you need hands-on practice. Platforms like Hack the Box and Vulnerable let you hack real machines in a legal, safe environment. Hack the Box has retired machine you can access for free. Vulnerable lets you download vulnerable VMs to practice offline. Also check out PenTester Lab. They offer free badges that teaches you how real vulnerability work step by step. Now let's talk about tools. There are a few free tools every beginner should try. First, Nmap for network scanning. Second, Bobsuite Community Edition for web app testing. Wireshark for analyzing network traffic. Fourth, John the Ripper or Hashcat for password cracking. And finally, Metaexploit for exploitation. These are free, open source, and used by professionals. Cybersecurity is better when you are not learning alone. Join Reddit communities like How to Hack, PenTest and Testing, Discord servers for Try Hack Me and STV. Ask questions, share your progress, get help. You'll be surprised how welcoming the InfoSec community can be. You don't need to spend thousands to learn pen testing. In 2025, everything you need from theory to hands-on hacking is available for free. The key is to stay consistent, practice daily, build your knowledge step by step. And hey, if you find this helpful, give a video a like, subscribe to this channel, and check out openexploit.in for more beginner-friendly hacking content. Thanks for watching and happy hacking.